Hello friends, welcome you back. Now we are going to discuss question number 16. So let's read the question. In an equilateral triangle, prove that 3 times the square of one side is equal to 4 times the square of one of its altitude. So given this triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle, and what it is asking to prove that 3 times the square of one side. So suppose one side is AB, 3 into AB square will be equal to 4 times the square of its altitude, 4 into square of AE. Okay, so this is what we have to prove. Now let us assume that AE is the altitude, okay, and length of AB is equal to A, length of AC equal to A, length of BC is equal to also A. Okay, we will assume it. Okay, now in triangle ABE, you can see triangle ABE, ABE triangle. In this triangle, it is a right angle triangle, right angle AD. So according to Pythagoras theorem, AB square, that is AB square will be equal to AE square, that is AE, this AE square plus B square plus B square. Okay, now we know the value of, we had assumed that length of all this side be A, therefore AB square, in place of AB we can write A square equal to, we don't know the value of AE. Okay, so we will write AE as it is, plus BE square. Let's find where is B. BE. What will be the length of BE? BE will be 1 by 2 of BC, isn't it? Because AE is the altitude. Therefore, BE will be 1 by 2 of BC. So 1 by 2 of BC will be equal to A by 2. So instead of BE, we can write A by 2 square, BE square equal to A by 2 square we can write. Now we have got this A square equal to A square plus A by 2 whole square. Now we can transpose A square to LHS. So A square will be equal to okay, A square will be equal to A square minus A square by 4. How it is? Because we have omitted one step here. Okay, if you will bring A square to LHS, it will be minus A square equal to minus A square plus A by 2 square, which will be equal to, if you multiply minus 1 on both sides, it will be equal to A minus A square will be A square equal to plus A square, this plus will be minus A square by 4. Now again, sorry, now again, now so A square equal to A square plus A square by 2 was there. Now we got A square equal to A square minus A square by 4. Why? Because A square 2 square is 4. So now A square equal to, here it will be 4 will be the LCM. Here it will be 4A square minus A square equal to 3A square. So 3A square by 4. Now A square equal to 3A square by 4. Now again, here this 4, if we transpose to LHS, it will be 4A square equal to 3A square. Now look at this line, 4A square equal to 3A square. Question, in the question what there was, the question was asking was 4A square will be equal to 3 into square of one side, isn't it? Therefore 3 into, say suppose AB square. Now you can see A square is here. What is the length of A? We had assumed that length of all the side be A. Therefore now we have got 4 into square of altitude equal to 3 into square of side, hence proved. So actually I had already proved this question in the previous this part in the previous question, in question number 15. So now we will move to question number 17. It's a short type question. So you will start to read the question. Take the correct answer and verify in triangle ABC. You can see triangle ABC. AB equal to 6 root 3 centimeter. Where is AB? AB equal to 6 root 3 centimeter. Okay. AC equal to 12 centimeter. Where is AC? It is 12 centimeter. And BC equal to 6 centimeter. Okay. So take the correct answer and justify. Okay. The angle B is dash. Okay. So you have to find the measure of angle B from this for alternatives. So 120 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree, 45 degree. Okay. First of all, let's see whether it is getting fitted into the form of Pythagoras theorem or not. Okay. So what is Pythagoras theorem? Pythagoras theorem says h square equal to p square plus b square. We don't know who is h, who is p, who is b here. We will assume that this is the h. So let's check. 12 square equal to, okay, we will do it here. Here we will find ab square equal to 108, ac square equal to 12 square equal to 144, and bc square equal to 36. Now you can see 144 is equal to 108 plus 36, isn't it? Therefore, AB square plus BC square equal to AC square. Hence, this triangle is a right angle triangle. And which is asking the measure of angle B, and the AC is the largest or longest side, that is 12 centimeter. Therefore, angle B must be 90 degree. AC must be the hypotenuse and angle B must be 90 degree. So, we have found the right answer, which is angle B equal to 90 degree. Okay, thank you.